It's Veganuary. I truly believe that plant-based food can be absolutely delicious. I've got these beautiful black lentils. They've been soaked overnight. We're gonna whack them in the Morphy Richard slow cooker, cover them with water, and they're gonna go on for about 3 or 4 hours. All right, so this has been cooking for a few hours now. We're going to drain the water, make a paste, and put some new water in. Here we go. Chili powder and garam masala, generous pinch of salt, garlic paste, ginger paste, and tomato puree. Into the slow cooker. Water just to cover the lentils. And a load of plant-based butter. Let's give it a good mix. Lid on. Now back to high for a couple of hours. It's been a couple of hours. Time to get some plant-based cream into the mix. All right.